In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to improve your LinkedIn profile and content. If you want to make your LinkedIn presence look more polished, attract the right audience, and communicate your value more clearly, ChatGPT can be a very helpful tool. The key is knowing what information to give it and how to refine the results so everything still sounds like you. Start by opening ChatGPT and clearly describing your LinkedIn goal. For example, you might want to attract recruiters, find clients, grow your professional network, or position yourself as an expert in your industry. Being specific here matters because the more context you give, the more useful and relevant the response will be. Next, add the important background information ChatGPT needs in order to help you properly. This includes your job title, your main skills, your experience, and the type of audience you want to reach. You can also mention your industry, the kind of roles you are targeting, or the problems you help people solve. This gives ChatGPT a stronger foundation and helps it generate content that feels aligned with your professional brand. Once that's done, ask ChatGPT to improve your LinkedIn headline. Your headline is one of the first things people see, so it should be clear, professional, and focused on value. A good headline does more than list your role. It can also highlight your expertise and show what makes you relevant to your audience. After that, ask ChatGPT to write or improve your About section. This is where you can tell your professional story in a more personal and engaging way. A strong About section should explain what you do, what you're good at, and why your experience matters. If the first version feels too generic, ask ChatGPT to make it more concise, more confident, or more conversational. You can also use ChatGPT to come up with LinkedIn post ideas and captions. This is especially useful if you want to stay active but aren't sure what to post. It can help you brainstorm content that reflects your expertise, supports your goals, and speaks to your audience in a clear way. Then ask for connection messages or outreach templates. These can help you start conversations professionally without sounding too formal or overly scripted. Keep them short, respectful, and relevant to the person you're contacting. Finally, edit everything so it sounds natural and professional. This step is essential. ChatGPT gives you a strong draft, but your final version should reflect your voice, your experience, and your personality. Review each section carefully, adjust the wording where needed, and make sure it feels authentic. That's how you turn AI-generated content into a LinkedIn presence that truly represents you.